once again.
Time travel is the concept of movement between certain points in time, analogous to movement between different points in space by an object or a person, typically with the use of hypothetical device known as a time machine. Time travel is a widely recognized concept in philosophy and fiction. There are many theories behind time travel, like the Einstein's theory, the theory of relativity. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you about the real time travelers who claims to come from the future. So let's start the video. Number 2. This is a story of John Titor. He is a person who claims he has come from 2036. In November 2000, in an internet discussion forum where different types of people talk with each other, and in that a new member was added, and the account name was John Titor, and he posted, "Hello friends, I am a time traveler and I have come from 2036, and I had went to 1975 to take IBM 5100 computer because my team wants it in 2036. When I was going back to 2036, I had thought to see 2000 year because I wanted to see how was the past, and I had to see a problem of a computer Y2K also." After this message, the full internet got shocked, and many people thought it is a fake profile man who wants publicity and wants to be famous. So he was doing like this. But many people did not take it seriously. But then some of the people had replied to that post, and they had said, "If you are telling the truth, please give us a proof." And unless what? The person had posted a design of a time machine and also posted the real photo of the time machine. Everyone was shocked. Everyone was thinking, what is happening? And then he told he is an army from 2036 and his nationality was American. And he had also posted a drawing of a purported military insignia. And he had also told that his grandfather had worked in IBM company, so he had the contacts and a profile proof also. So IBM was a computer which could solve his future computer problem. But I think you all have a question that if he has come from 2036, then he will already know about the future events. So he had told about the future that a earthquake is coming in Peru, and unless what, it came true after some months of his post. In 23rd June 2001 in Peru came the most dangerous earthquake in the history, and he gave the warning that if we all do not solve the space shuttle overheating problem, we are going to face problems in the future. And after some years of his post, 21st February 2003, this news actually came true. In this day, the Colombian spacecraft was destroyed, and he told many things about the future, like he told Olympic 2004 will be the last Olympic of the human history, but as we know that it is not the truth. And he told many news and incident, but some of them came false. And if you analyze his full words about the future, 50% of his future was false and 50% future was truth. But if you deeply analyze it, it is not possible for a person to tell 50% truth. And friends, a book is also written on John Titor, and this book's name is John Titor, A Time Traveler's Tale. You can purchase this book online. I will give the link in description. From there you can buy this book. So friends, what do you think? Is John Titor a real time traveler? Please write in the comment. Number 1. There is a man who is very popular in the name of Noah. He claims that he has come from 2030, and this man has passed the lie detector test also. Lie detector is a machine which detects a person is telling true or a false. He also told that there is a device inside his right hand, through that he does time travel. When we did the X-ray of his right hand, we had saw the device inside his hand. So after hearing this, I think you will all have a question that if he has come from 2030, then he will already know about the future events. Yes, he told about the future that Donald Trump will be elected as the president of United States for the second term. He also told that artificial intelligence will reach its highest level, and he also told that there will be self-driving cars in the streets by 2030. So friends, what do you think? Is Noah a real time traveler? Please write in the comment. So friends, do not forget to give a like to the video and share this video more and more so that people come to know all these mysterious things. And lastly, subscribe my channel. Thank you for seeing the video. Jai Hind.